morning, my dear children. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Are you healthy? Yes. Today we are going to learn about the Hindi letters. Yes. Already we learned pa, ipa. Correct? Then just revise. Okay. Look at the board. The first row ka, ikha, gha, ikha, nga. Cha, icha, ja, icha, nya. Ta, ita, da, ita, na. Ta, ita, da, ita, na. Then after which letter? Yes, pa. Pa. How to write pa? We already studied pa. Correct? Yes. Go up and come down and a small sleeping line on the top of the letter. And the next one, pa. Go up and come down and reverse u. Okay? And a small sleeping line on the top of the letter. That is ippa. Okay? Pa. Ippa. Okay. And my dear children, in your textbook page number 66, the third letter pa, ippa, ba. Ba. How to write ba? It's very simple letter. Okay. First, yes, standing line and okay, and a small slanting line inside the curve and a small sleeping line on the top of the letter. That is ba. Ba. Okay. And read the page number 65. Okay. All of you take the page number 65. Yes. Read loudly. Okay, my dears. The first one, bus. Bus. Repeat. Yes. Bus. And next is bakkari. Bakkari. Say loudly. Bakkari. Barthan. Barthan. Next is billy. Billy. Yes. And next one, button. Button. And next is baldi. Baldi. And next is barish. Barish. Okay. And this is your homework. Okay. Ba varna par khola banaye. Everyano ba kananda. Adi just circle here. Okay. This is ba. And here also one ba. And here also. And here. Yes. And this one also ba. And this also. Okay. This is your homework. Okay, my dears. And page number 68. The next letter pa, ipa, ba, ibba. Ibba. Okay. This is very simple. How to write? Yes. Look at the board. Yes. Starting from here. Okay. Go up. Up and come down and go up and a small sleeping line and then one standing line here and a small sleeping line on the top of the letter. Okay, what is this? Which letter is this? Ipa. Ipa. Okay, and this is your homework. Okay, page number 68 and page number 67. All of you take page number 67 and read loudly. And Bharat. This is read, repeat. Bharat. Yes. Balu. Balu. Okay. Bet. Pet. Okay. Bhimdi. Bhavan. Okay. And this is also your homework. One ko usko शब्दों से मिलाये भाव वरना sound वरना ऐद letter कियानो अदल्ला circle किया. Okay, that is your homework. And my dear children, and the next page number 70. Okay, pa, ipa, ba, ipa, ma. Ba, ipa, ma. The last one is ma. Ma with this very simple letter. How to write ma? Yes. Standing line and go up and a sleeping line here and a standing line here and a small sleeping line on the top of the letter. That is ma. Ma. Okay. And say loudly page number 69 read. Okay. More. More. Machli. Machli. Mombatti. Mombatti. Matar. Matar. Mithai, mithai. Okay, say loudly. Makhi, makhi, and machar, machar. Okay, and this is your homework. Ma varna par ghola banaye. Every ekiyano ma ullada avade circle cheya. Okay, and this one is ma, yes, and this also ma. This one is ma, no, and this is ma. Okay, so do the homework. Okay, my dears, and my dear children, look at the board, page number 71. All of you take the page number 71, and this is your homework. Okay, homework. Pa, ipa, ba, ipa, ma. Okay, write and study in the textbook. And this is your homework. Chitra dekhem or shabd ka pahla one likhe. Okay, the first letter namakku ezhudanam. Look at the board. Okay, what is this? Yes, flower. Okay, fool. Fool. The first letter is pa. Okay, how to write? Go up and come down and reverse U, and a small sleeping line on the top of the letter, that is pa. Okay, and the next one is bakari. Bakari. Okay, how to write ba? Bakari. Okay, this is ba. Bakari. And next one is patta. Pa. Pa. Patta. Okay, and this one is billi. Billi. Okay, ba. Billi. And this one is balu. Balu. How to write ba? Yes, balu. And this one is more. Ma. More. Okay. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, and my dear children, this is your notebook homework. Write and study well. Practice in your notebook. Okay, this is ba, ba, ma. Okay, only 3 letters studied today. Okay, so you should practice in your notebook. And my dear children, today's class is over. See you next time. Bye bye.